Hey guys, T here. Well, I finished the siding here. Now I need to build a door. I've already put in the rail for the slider here, and I need to build a door here. And I think what I'm going to do is build a torsion box door. It's real flat, and I can make it real thin, which is what I need here. And I think it'll work great. So if you will, follow along. Please subscribe. Let's get building. I've got a piece of plywood here. It's 3/8 plywood, and we're going to laminate that with some other thin strips and another 3/8 piece of plywood. And we'll have our little door, and it'll be pretty straight and pretty strong, I think. We'll see. So we have all the long braces in. We just need to add all the short ones. We'll do that next. Here's one side with all the ribs in. We've got a section here at the bottom that we're going to build special, and then we'll put the top on. So we need to make an end cap here. I want to make this out of treated wood, so we're going to cut a 2x4 down. This is our bottom cap, so we have to cut this to fit in between the plywood. So here's what it looks like. So I'm going to use a door handle, and I've soldered a bolt on here, and here's a brass washer that fits, and looks like it fits. I think it looks pretty good. So there's our torsion box sliding door. It's nice and flat, it's strong. I like it. So please subscribe if you will. See you next time.